like to be able to play reggae on drums, even if you've never played drums before? It can be dead simple, and before purists come after me, I have simplified this for new drummers, just to clarify. Before you come after me, I see you. Anyway, what we're going to play is called a one drop, which goes something like this. And we're using a technique, as you can see down here, called cross stick, and it is technically dead simple. You just place your hand on the snare drum as well as the bottom of the stick, and you hit the stick against the rim of the drum. Get that a bit comfy first. And then we're going to play on the right hand on the hi-hat. 1, 2, 3, 4. When we get to beat 3, you're going to play a cross stick and a bass drum at the same time. That is your one singular drop. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3. Congratulations, you can now play reggae. Have a good day.